Perfect, everything is perfect. Location, service, breakfast. 100/100s. Highly recommend. Very great experience. I have been in many hotels, some of which 4 or 5 stars, and I still must say that this was one of the best experience I have ever had with hotels. Very nice staff, superb breakfasts, cute small wellness, clean rooms. Also the location is nice. Not directly in the loud city center, yet still a short walk to the city. Public transport and a large shopping center are just around a corner. The only hard time was without dog, as there are no parks in the near vicinity. I would definitely recommend. Great. Bo18 loved our stay at Bo18 Superior in Pest. What a fantastic gem of a hotel. Very comfortable and modern and terrific value. One of us had a surprise at breakfast when they brought out a birthday cake and sang. Delightful. Central Hotel. We really enjoyed our stay at Bo18. Staff very friendly. Nothing was too much trouble. Good variety of food for breakfast. Beds comfortable. Room spotless. Hotel location is central to everything. Easy to find. We'll stay again. Bo18 Hotel, brilliant spot, staff so friendly, we'll be going back next year, same place. Love this stay. Very friendly staff, delicious breakfast, room was clean and nice. Really like the sauna and jacuzzi in the basement. Nice lounge where there are books and tea/coffee available. Wi-Fi worked excellent. Can warmly recommend, will stay again. It has everything. Hotel is not a big one, but the room is spacious and well equipped. You can also find spa, gym, sauna, small bar in the hotel, which is very convenient for my 2-week stay. The staff is friendly and it's a stone away from a shopping mall. Restaurants and cafes are close by. Would recommend. Super Hotel Bo18 is truly a superior hotel. Great place to be. The staff are wonderful and extremely friendly. The facilities, what more could you ask for? For a 3-star hotel, that is an understatement. My missus is quite choosy, and if she only had praises for Bo18, what more can I say? She is loving it, not to mention the breakfast selection, you've got to experience it. Excellent all round, just brilliant. Superb hotel. I was on a business trip and the location of the hotel is just literally a 5-minute walk from the Corvin shopping center. The hotel is clean, the staff are friendly, you even get a welcome drink on arrival. Would thoroughly recommend it. All in one package. This hotel is small but with everything inside. Room is nice and tidy. Breakfast is amazing and yummy. Perfect stay. Brilliant experience. Great hotel. Great experience. Fantastic staff. Just fantastic experience. We'll stay here again for sure. Great location too. Exceptional. The room is clean and transparent. A spacious room. The bathroom has a very large bathtub, which is useful for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. Netflix and YouTube were in the room. Breakfast delicious, lots of things to choose from. There was also a chocolate fountain in which you could soak the fruit or pour yourself chocolate croissant. A great idea. We still had a glass of wine for the price, also a great thing. The hotel also has a gym, wellness and sauna, which we could use. And for children there is a corner in which there is PlayStation. Service very nice and helpful, you can also joke with them. The hotel is 3 stars, but definitely deserves 6 stars, above the rock. Ideal stay. Breakfast was good, the room was fine, other spaces of the hotel were also clean and interesting, and the staff were brilliant. I'm gonna stay here again if I travel to Budapest. This was second time and I remembered right, Bo18 Hotel was best place to overnight. Great boutique hotel in the central district. This was such a lovely boutique hotel with an amazing breakfast buffet and staff. We were very happy with our stay here. Exceptional experience. Very clean hotel and room. Very warm and courteous front desk. Very welcoming. Efficient staff from housekeeping, restaurant and front desk. Makes everyone feel important and needed. I would return.